Oh, are these better than I could have imagined? Hello and welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out today. We have got the Wpl D12 mini drifter type truck type thing on the bench. I am currently out with a 3D printer right now. We are printing some 12mm hex adapters so we can put some nice big dirty 12mm drift rims on there. I've got some offset drift rims as well, so I can change the offset. As you can see, that's nice and deep there, less deep there. All you gotta do is flip that black thing round to the other side of the chrome rim and it's just as deep. We've got I think we've got 3 of them little miniature hexes printed already. No, we haven't. We've got 2 miniature hexes printed already, one on the printer there. These things literally take about 5 minutes to print. Literally, that is it. Let's swap one over and have a look what it looks like. Like I say, I am putting the flared arch kit on this as well. I have already done a bit of naughty, and I've already pre-printed, look, the little cab spoiler as well. But I'm just waiting to see if these hexes work, especially as these are only 5-minute prints. After these hexes are printed, literally I've got a 2.5 hour front bumper, splitter, spoiler, everything else on there. Spoiler, I mean front bumper and splitter, like a kit bumper. Then we got the kit sides that are going to fit in, and the kit back bumper as well. Let's say purely going for cosmetics at this stage, guys. Doesn't matter if it don't really drift well enough, I can sort that out afterwards. But I do want these big dirty rims on this little truck. I want to see what it looks like, and to do that I'm going to get these printed and done. I'll come back to you in a sec when we swap one over. What I need to do is go and find myself some little washers, that's for sure. Come back to you in a sec. And here we go then, guys. Big front bumper going on right here. Looking really nice already. Oh, look at that. That is really tidy. We're at 9% so far. It's going to go right across the front of that bad boy. Oh yeah. Like I say, just trying these wheel fitments. These original 1/10s are absolutely massive in there. But what do you think they look like though in comparison to the originals? A or B? I think I'm still going to get some smaller versions of these. I reckon if I try a rim on there without a tyre, the fitment's going to be really nice actually. Let's just try that. Ah, there we go, look, just swapped it over without the tyre on one of these rims, and that is a really nice fitment. So what I need to do is find some 12mm hex wheels that are smaller in diameter. I'm sure I know where to get some as well. Let's get online and get some, because I want to get some big fat rims on there, some fat chrome just like that. Or do I print off a 3D printed drift rim for that? Just barely have any tyre on the go on them chromes, because them don't look too bad, to be honest. Might have to see what I can do with them. Right, yo then, so sorry if this video is a little bit messed up, back and forth with the printer. So we are at 26% printing. That's the front bumper and front splitter. Looking really good. I've rested the top spoiler on just to show you. That fit is amazing. You wait till that's glued on. What I've done is put some rims on there without tyres, and at the minute that's a really nice fit in there for the arches. I'm happy with that. Yes guys, and the print is finished. Wow. I'm going to be careful taking this off the print bed. I'll come back to you in a sec. There's a lot of waste to pull out of it as well, because I've put supports on so that the holes in the centre there didn't droop down. Let's take this thing off and get it on the bench. Oh, and here we go, making a start on the big side panels. Oh yeah. Look just quickly. Oh, oh ho ho. Yeah, side panels, looking forward to them coming off. Hopefully gonna be nice and straight and fit as well as that bumper. Yes, and here we go guys. Rear bumper being printed. I'm looking forward to seeing this one. Got plenty of supports going on in this bumper as well. It's going to be good. Look at that front bumper. Oh, yeah. Ah, you are not going to believe this. So off camera, I can't believe this. I've just literally trod. I put it on the floor for some reason when I was moving the camera around. Just trod on the back bumper. You know what though? I'm going to stick that down or do something with it. Let me know in the comments below what the best glue is for 3D prints. PLA, because I ain't printing another one of them. I ain't waiting another 2 hours. What I'm going to do is just marry some of this stuff up to the truck for you guys. Just so you can see it, like I say. This stuff though fits really, really nice. So the front bumper then. Here we go. This front bumper is a 3D printed work of art. Literally, that is how it came off the printer right there. I've done no rubbing down, no cleaning or anything else. And my 3D printer ain't really capable of a fat lot, to be honest. It's pretty basic. What this has got though is, check this out, the original bumper. So there's the original. Just show you on the car, like that. And this is the 3D printed bumper. But look at the fit. Absolutely perfect. So the beautiful thing about this as well is this has got like little light buckets on there. You can pop them out, and they've even got light buckets on the 3D printed version that hold them lights back in there. Look at that. Let's drop the other one in, we may as well. Here we go, pop that out like so, and literally just drop it in, clicks back in. Ew, he says that one's tight. There you go, clicked in. Look at that. Whoa, let's drop it on. Wow, no glue or anything at the moment. Literally there's just 2 little studs on the back of that bumper and the fitment holding it to there, whereas the original one has actually got little clips on the back so it clips in place. So what we're going to have to do is a little bit of glue, but for the purpose of the video just today, to show you what it's going to look like finished, what I've got is just some double-sided sticky pads. I'm going to do is cut these up into thin strips. I don't want to make a mess of the truck at the minute. I just want to marry all this stuff up and see what it looks like on there. As well as that then, what we have got is the side arches and the side kit. Again, some of this is going to need a little bit of modification. You got a little hole that lines up there. One thing I've noticed you have got to do is there is a little pretend latch there in plastic, the same as these 3. There was a 4th one above the wheel. You need to chop that one off from the top and the side, and then this should literally just drop straight in on there like so. Again, gonna need gluing on and stuff, but give you an idea what that looks like dropped on. Wow, let's hold the front bumper on like so. Oh yes, that is looking really good. Don't forget as well, we've got the wheels on there as well, 1/10 scale wheels. I am going to get some smaller versions, or just 3D print some for now and see what they look like. All this is going to be filled, sanded and sprayed, or should I just keep it all black, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Again, this back bumper, I can't believe I've done this. This was a flipping work of art as well. Not to worry though, guys, I can print another one if I need to. I want to go set the printer to run it, or just run. This one basically, literally, you've got a little sticky outy part there and a sticky outy part there. That is the technical name for them, guys, sticky outy parts. And literally them just clip onto that, and then the other 2 that would have been this side had I not trod on the part, literally clamp on to there, and it clicks round nice and tight. I'm just gonna have to print another one of them, aren't I? Gutted, because that looks mean. Let's rest that on. What I'm gonna do, and don't forget as well, we've got our top spoiler for on there as well. I'm going to marry all this up. I'm going to put some little sticky tabs behind it. Come back to you in a minute with all that bumper set up on there, just to see how mean we can really get this truck looking. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Like tiny little bit of adjustment on the fitment. Sorry if the camera's wobbling around a bit, but I'm excited about this one. Guys, how mean does that look? Wow. This is just literally straight off the printer. That little fin on the back there, that little spoiler, is an incredible fit. It really is. Straight off the printer again. No messing, no supports for that one. The sides, like I say, do need a bit of adjustment and a bit of fitting. But I absolutely love that. That looks absolutely mean. And the fitment to the back there as well, considering 2 pieces. You could fill that if you wanted to and sand it down. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. The rear bumper as well. Again, minus the part that I stood on. I can't believe I've done that still. But how mean is that? That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant, guys. The links will be in the description to whoever made the prints for these. Hats off to you. They are on Thingiverse. Like I say, I will add the links in there. Wow! I'm so impressed, guys. That's probably the best thing I've printed on my 3D printer to date. And there's loads of other stuff you can print yet. Big spoilers for here, covers for the flatbeds. Still got to put some additional bits on, like the mirrors and stuff like that yet. Not sure whether to even change the colour or just keep it black or spray it all. I think this all needs spraying. Comment below what colour below. I'm thinking like candy apple green. Can you imagine that in candy apple green? With the right wheels on and everything else, doing a bit of drifting around the room. Well impressed, guys, well impressed. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please get a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you on the next one. But first, what should I do with this next time? Drop the comments below. See you on the next one. Oh yeah.